Hello, and thanks for watching our video here. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about our 30-day free trial here at A-Smart Technology. What you get with our 30-day free trial is a complete overview of your current security situation. We're able to do this by scanning your entire environment, and this will allow us to enumerate your Windows systems, whether it's XP, Vista, 7, or 8, along with your Macintosh devices as well. We'll also be able to determine what type of servers you're running, whether it's Linux or Windows. We'll also be able to find and locate any type of mobile devices you may have, whether it's laptops or tablets or phones running either Apple, Mac, or Android. We'll also be able to identify any network printers, switches, routers, and firewalls within your environment. Once we have this complete overview, knowing exactly what devices you have in your office, at this point we'll be able to configure alerts based on problems on those type of devices. And then those alerts will be able to be sent out as they happen to whoever we determine, whether it's management, on-site IT personnel, or A-Smart Technology, or all of the above. And then once a month we will generate reports on everything that we find. So what we'll be able to do is start a record of what was found, what was fixed, and how long it took. This will allow and aid in the process of solving problems very quickly and showing management what has been going on within your environment. Now, for security, there is a right way and a wrong way to do security. First, the right way. The best way to do security and the industry best standards and practices is through what's known as a layered approach. We have to put layers of security in depth to address common problems that hackers use to try to steal your data. And the way you do that is much more than simply updating your antivirus softwares and Windows and such, but we have to first classify the type of data you're dealing with. Is this restricted or confidential sensitive data? And if so, we need to address how that data is being stored and sent across your network and in the internet, such as, are we using proper and strong encryption standards, and are we using valid certificates and such to handle that type of communication? And on top of that, we'll definitely also configure and make sure your antivirus software is running and up to date, along with your Windows operating systems or Macs or any operating system for that matter will be updated on a set basis. But we'll also scan and update all your third-party softwares as well, which includes Java, Adobe, just to name a few. The other part of the layered security approach is through what's known as a SIEM, the Security Information Event Monitoring System. And the SIEM is very important because it allows us to identify real-time threats from either the outside or the inside, and we'll be able to track that on a historical basis. The SIEM will give us insight of what's going on and be able to really understand who's attacking, what they're attacking, what they accessed, who accessed it, and when. So we can really be able to do a thorough investigation when generating offenses. And part of all of this requires us to monitor everything 24/7 and alert on problems and such, and then be able to generate reporting to show what's been going on. Now, let me show you one of our reports here. This is our executive summary report. You'll notice the summary report shows a site health overview. This number is generated based off of 3 variables, which includes the servers, the workstations, and the network within your environment. We scan based on best security practices through the Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer based on your patches and the availability of the systems that are within your network. We're able to take this number and it calculates an overall site health. We're able to quickly see how many patches were applied and how many tickets were created and closed as well. We're also able to quickly see how many assets of each particular device is in the environment. We're able to quickly see the amount of hard drive space being used on your top 5 systems here, so we can quickly identify hard drives that are being maxed out. We're able to quickly see the top 5 or so alerts that have been generated over the last report. This can be very helpful to see if we're dealing with security alerts or patching reports and such, or downtime. Most importantly though, we're able to really look at the risks and vulnerabilities. Some patches may not go through completely, even though they say they completed successfully. So we're able to really get in and see exactly what has been patched and what hasn't, both on your workstations and servers. And then our turnaround time. We're able to identify all of these problems and alerts that come up. We're able to track how long it takes to fix them. So this shows 12 problems were solved within less than 15 minutes. 161 problems were solved within less than an hour, and so on and so forth. And so we're able to identify outstanding problems that either current IT may not have the knowledge or know how to solve or fix, and or may not be aware of. And so it's our goal to enumerate all of these type of issues and problems to help make your environment the most secure that it can be. Because hackers have as long as they want to try to locate and find the way in. And so they only have to be right one time. Whereas your security department needs to be right all the time. Because one security breach can ruin your business reputation and potentially put you out of business. So do not let a data breach take you out of business. That's why we're here. If you're ready to get started, feel free to give us a call anytime at 855-999-6425. We look forward to setting you up with our free trial so we can show you your known security problems and be able to offer you a solution. Thanks for watching.